Why can a hummingbird fly backwards, hover perfectly still, and even fly upside down while other birds can only flap forwards? The answer is in the wing joint. Most birds have a simple hinge-like shoulder, allowing them to flap up and down. This generates lift only on the downstroke, pushing them forward. But a hummingbird's shoulder is a unique ball and socket joint, allowing for complete rotation. Instead of flapping, its wings trace a horizontal figure-8 pattern, twisting 180 degrees on each stroke. This means they generate lift on both the forward stroke and the backward stroke. By simply changing the angle of this figure-8 pattern, they can instantly generate thrust in any direction, going forward, backward, up, or down with incredible precision. This design is the pinnacle of natural flight efficiency. It's so perfect that drone engineers are now copying the hummingbird's wing motion to create more stable and agile drones that can hover perfectly in complex environments.